new, but trying to be alpha too, so yeah. And it's recording, and I didn't get here in time, so yeah, I'm just at Steve's, and someone, and I am in Silver Steeds. My server is Windstar Stable. I'm just, this is not my club clothes, I'm just weird. This is the club, so the club horses are White Lucy and White Lusitano. That's all I know. So yeah, I don't want that to be on there. That's better. I'm just gonna try around here and I go to my home stable. Hey, let's just see these people. Hey peeps. Wait, who's this chicken? Oh, she's not a chicken. Why are they on their starter horse? Are they starters? Are they newbies? No, she's in the listen. Okay. Um, yeah. Right now I'm probably gonna do it on my dad's account. I can't change my dad's account's name. So I might make an account. So there's the vet. Hey vet. Let's just ride around here for a little bit. Actually, I kind of want to go to my home stable. My home stable was all the way over in Westfall though. Like, crazy. I was eating spaghetti this morning. It's my favorite food. Don't blame me. I'm crazy. Yesterday I had pumpkin pie for breakfast because I'm crazy. There's the renaming dude. I do not want to rename my beautiful friend warrior. So yeah. Oh my god, who's this? Oh, oh yeah. You want to be in the video? Yeah, let's write. Yeah. Yeah, let's do this thing. Ah! Okay. Okay, I'm gonna say something crazy. Let me back up. Back up, horse. For a second. I bet everybody's gonna be like, if I say I'm doing a YouTube video, I'd be like, yeah, I'm kind of done here. Sorry, Lola. I hope. I'm kind of done here. Oh, I bet she's following me. Going. My horse is the blue. Yeah, I'm just not probably not gonna ride. Oh, you can see my beautiful horse is trying. I just got us. I need to be more fast. Hey, what are these people doing? I know I'm probably really boring. I've never. Oh, dancing. I'm gonna try to do this. Oh, my friend logged out. Okay, I'm gonna call her. I'm gonna call my friend. I'm calling. Okay. There's a yeah, honey. I'm calling my friend. Hmm. Her name's Annabelle South. With my club, Super Speed, Beginner, Novice, and Stable. Seriously, Annabelle? No. Yeah, she's good at that. I'm gonna text her on here. Oh my god. I just said Annabelle was recording. She has a YouTube channel. Annabelle Duff. Like that. Who are these peeps? FYI, I'm new to this whole thing, so North Knights, something steeds. I think it's Glorious Steeds. Is that all? I'm just gonna yell out I'm doing a YouTube video. Should I? Yeah. I'm gonna do it on global. Yeah, I'm not gonna stand here. It's boring to just sit and wait. Sit. Let's go find some places. I'm just gonna randomly run around. Oh, I want to show you guys my stable. Okay, this is yeah. Let's just run. Okay, I'm gonna call for pickup. Ah, oh, just okay. So I'll give you a stable tour next time, but it's like oh, this is my stable. Well, not stable, but I am in Mist Falls Silver Glade Hunters team. What the heck is that? That's a kind of good name. Oh, I do not have Epona yet. This sucks because I really want Epona. I'm on level 14. My horse is on. Yeah. We'll just say Yas, girl. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm in no club. I'm just like, why would I be no? Hey, Moa. Who's Moa? Oh, never mind. Lenny, you joined back? Yeah, girl, I joined back. Yeah, I was in like Super Seeds like 10 times. That doesn't work. Yeah, it does. Does. Is that right? I found. Oh my god, I'm horrible at typing. Let's go try to find some people in my club. Oh my god. Where is it? Where the heck are they? I'm just like, eh. Yes, it does. Whatever. It's Megan. I don't know. Good. Where's the level? Huh? Come to this fall. Oh. Miss. Then something something. I don't know. Come to Miss. Where is Annabelle? 5. Oh, then level 5 up. Oh. Ookie. Oh my god. I would. Hey people, I'm new to this channel. Should I say it? Oh, oh, did. Who wants to be in it? Yeah, no. That's what I don't know. I don't say that. I'm training. Where? Where are you training? Ooh, that's one of the regions I want right there. See this? This manor. Oh, this is the region that I want. This region right here. So pretty. And I also want. Mm, whatever. Okay, I'm gonna go to manor. See my friends or my club. Let's see. Okay. Actually, I kind of want to run there. So, oh, I missed it. Yeah. There's Robin the Sailor getting away from gold about 10 right now. So after you leave, my friend, can't believe I just didn't. Oh my god, I'm so bored right now. I mean, like, this is my first season ever. I'm just like, hey people, let's just do this and go. You know? You know? I watched like the new videos, probably. Not mine, but. So, yeah, join Silver States. Yeah. Yeah, that's not my girl. Oh, man. Where is your horse? I'm in Manor. Where are you? I don't see you. See ya. I am here. Do you see? There's no one in this arena. I'm just like, oh my god, I cannot do this. This is pretty long. I mean, like, 11 minutes. I'm gonna do this. I just see. Back to the truck again. It gives me a get it. No, girl. Oh, I have to have a Connemara? Oh, I have a Connemara, but I can't find my person. Where is my girl? Ah, oof. That's like a quadruple oof. I'm just gonna ride around the arena trying to. Hey, is she? Where is she? I'm in Manor. Uh, I can't find you. And you can see I'm kind of broke. Broke. Yeah, let's just end it. Yeesh. Let's get do this. Bye, guys. See you next time.